Look, guys, this has to be an obvious arithmetize for you. There is no reason to be doing some sort of average with these weird a over 2, a over 3, a over 4. It's dumb. You have a calculator. Let's make use of it, okay? So what does arithmetizing mean? It means picking a number for a variable that we know does not matter. A does not matter. It can be any number. As long as we use the same number in the question and then in the choices, we're going to be good. Now, to make the numbers a little easier, I'm going to make a equal to 3, but you don't even need that kind of forethought, right? You can pick any number, all right? Now, I'm picking 3 because it's going to mean that I don't really have to deal with obnoxious decimals like repeating decimals. So if I put 3 in, that's 3 halves and 3 thirds and 3 fourths, right? And all of those can be put into my calculator very easily. 3 halves is 1.5, 3 over 3 is 1, and 3 fourths is 0.75. So now let's add them up and find the average, right? Divide by 3. So 1.5 plus 1 plus 0.75 in my calculator divided by 3 is a kind of messy number, 10.8. Or yeah, it's 1.083. Let's just make sure we read our calculators right. 1.083, and that does have a repeating decimal, but it's not going to be a problem. Now I just go to my answer choices, I plug that same a equals 3 in, and I'm looking to find that same number. Okay, so here obviously we don't have that. 3 is not that. 3 over 12, I could use my calculator, but that's 1/4, that's 0.25, so that's not going to work. 13 times 3, well, that's going to be 39 over 12. That I am going to use my calculator for. That gives me 3.25, so it's probably D. That's 39 over 36. 39 divided by 36 is 1.083, repeating, and that is choice D. Notice there's no algebra here, right? This is the point of arithmetize, is we know that algebra is going to be a pain. We want to get rid of it, and since a does not matter, we can just make it go away and use any number. If you had used a different number, you would have gotten different numbers along the way, but you would have gotten the exact same answer, and that's why arithmetize is so powerful. It just works, and it really makes questions that are hard much, much easier.